Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. People call me Coach, so if you call in, please ask for the coach. Today we're looking at 2019 Thor 4 Winds 24F. Let's go inside and take a look around. This whole wall is a slide. Look at the floor space in this coach. You've got tremendous floor space, no carpeting, easy to keep clean, walk around bed, big window in the back, TV right here, storage up above. As we go over into the corner, these short coaches with the corner bathroom has a ton of room in that bathroom. And then across over here, check out the storage in this closet. I mean, that is, you know, almost 4 feet deep with storage underneath here, storage down below. Across over here, we've got a refrigerator, top and bottom. Freezer up above with storage here. As we move out into the living area, we've got our kitchen here, microwave, oven, 3-burner cooktop, really nice looking. I like what they did with these silver knobs here. Storage up above, one big stainless steel sink, more storage here, room for a garbage can. Across from this, we have our big dinette, big table, some of the biggest tables around by 4 Winds. Storage up above here, got one storage drawer below, put extra things in. Up here we've got our extra bed, storage area, bed. Look at the size of that TV, fantastic. Up here in the cab, this coach is equipped with backup camera and side cameras, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, all you know, cruise control, tow on the column there. And as we move in here, we've got extra space here when you're doing the dishes. Your control panel is right here. Let's go outside and take a look at some of the things out here. Okay, we're on the outside right now. We've got side view cameras, electric awning with the LED lights underneath. Makes it real easy. Push one finger and that awning comes in. Storage down below here, storage here. You know, great little setup on this coach. Short coach, big slide, lots of room. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. It's been a pleasure. Have a great day.